Facebook profile lock option not showing. How to lock Facebook profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you want to make sure to go ahead and then if you want to solve locking Facebook profile, you want to make sure to stick with me till the end. Now first of all, if the Facebook lock feature is not available, it is only available in certain countries. Tap on the profile icon from the top left, then tap on the three dots option that you can find over here, right? So just tap the three dots option. Now first of all, you want to make sure you are not in professional mode. If you have turned on professional mode, you want to first turn off professional mode. That you can see right over here. Only after you've done that, you'll find the option called lock profile. Now sometimes what happens is that this option might be only available in certain countries. So if you don't have the lock option, then you can actually manually review some of the privacy settings by simply going to privacy center here. Then you can actually review who can view whatever you have on Facebook right here. You can go to privacy checkup and you can check all the details accordingly right from there. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.